Hi guys, it's Nina from VRFocus. I am here at CES 2018 joined by
McRee.
So you guys really showcased some really exciting stuff. Can you go through what you guys are releasing and what you are doing with Viveport?
Yeah, absolutely. So today at CES 2018, we're revealing a couple of new things. One, we're kind of extending our leadership in premium VR with new hardware, both Vive Pro, which is our new HMD solution, and then also wireless VR. We're also announcing unique ways to browse and discover VR, both with Viveport VR and then also with Vive Video.
So what's so different about this new HMD and this wireless? Everyone's been waiting to see if you guys are doing. How come now and how come with Intel?
Sure, yeah, so we've obviously been looking to do wireless for quite some time. We hear a lot from customers that we're looking into that. So we had a great partnership with Intel. We announced it last year at CES, and we've been working really hard on trying to provide a very high performing and low latency solution, and we've done that now with a Vive wireless adapter. We also, with the new HMD, the Vive Pro, we're increasing the resolution, so we're 2880 by 1600 resolution. We also have a high resolution audio, so we have an amplifier built in, high resolution headphones, so you're going to have a really nice audio experience, and then obviously, better visual fidelity.
You've also got a different strap as well to make it easier and more comfortable for different types of sizes and heads. And how come you guys decided to focus more on the Viveport and the subscription model rather than anything else?
Sure, so Viveport's constantly evolving. I mean, there's multiple different things that we're doing. Today we're definitely talking about subscription, but the primary focus is around Viveport VR, which is in VR exploring and exploration and discovery of content. Traditionally you're using a 2D interface, whether it's in VR or outside of VR on a computer or on a phone. Well, now with Viveport VR you can actually go inside, select the content, and actually jump into a 360 room scale preview of the experience. And then also with Vive Video, traditionally when people want to access 360 content, they're usually using a file browser on their computer or through VR, navigating a file browser. Now with this, in a partnership with Vimeo, we're actually able to access that content in VR seamlessly so that people get to enjoy those great experiences.
So is that live now? Can people access it straight away? Right?
Today, yeah,
Today.
right now.
Amazing. And when is the new headset coming out and the wireless adapter?
So new headset is spring of this year, and the wireless adapter is going to be summer.
What are you showcasing here today?
Sure, so we're selected a variety of different experiences across a variety of verticals. We're really trying to show the breadth of VR. As you know, there's so much content. We have over 2,600 experiences available for Vive, and so what we're showing here today is a combination of high-end gaming content, AAA gaming. We've got some LBE, arcade experiences. We also have some enterprise experiences. So we have a training experience, a forklift training simulator for enterprise. You can imagine if you're training people to use forklifts, it's a very costly thing, and if somebody makes a mistake at some point, they damage goods, the warehouse needs to shut down, the supply chain gets impacted, and so with a forklift training simulator, you can actually go in and train how to use the forklift, train how to look directions and pause and brake, and so that's in there. We have a really cool professional race car simulator. So super high-end, immersive enterprise-grade simulators that professional race teams are using to both preview tracks before they go, to understand their cars and cars changes, and become even more competitive in car racing. So we've got that in there. We have a really cool surgical training demo where you have two users in the same space at the same time. Currently we're doing it locally, so both users are here, but you also could do it remotely. So you could have a surgeon in one place and an actual student in another place. They go in at the same time, and using the Vive tracker on their feet and on their waist, their full body is tracked inside of VR. And so you have the surgeon training the student how to actually insert a stent, so a surgical procedure inside of VR. We've got Fallout, we have Doom, we have Front Defense, we have a bunch of really exciting games as well.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks for having me.
Where can we find out more information about what you guys are showcasing here
today? So
today?
Vive.com and all of our social channels at HTC Vive is where you can find out everything.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
And head over to VRFocus.com if you want to find out more about virtual reality, and I will see you there.